Welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you that how you can change your cursor color or your cursor style. So at first you have to come here, your Windows panel, click on here. Then you have to search your settings. You can find it here. If you don't find it here, search on here, settings. So now after searching here settings, okay, click on settings. Then after opening your settings, you can see here an option about mouse. So look at this, click here on mouse, then scroll down, little scroll down, and then mouse and pointer and touch. So click here, and then you can see the settings. So some variations of your cursor. This one is inverted and this one is custom. So you have to click here custom. So now you can see my cursor colors is already been changed. So you can change your cursor color from here, or you can also mix your color after clicking here in plus icon. Then you can change a personal color from here. So to click done, look at that. So this color is being changed to my cursor. So now, thus you can change your cursor color or your cursor style. So I personally use the inverted one. So thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe my channel, and have a nice day for you.